This is comparison of two tattoo machines which I found versatile in 2024 for my style. Xnet Sita tattoo pen and MAMBA old school rotary, budget-friendly machines. I bought this rotary because of strength and adjustable stroke. Now, I chose the most powerful pen I have in arsenal to try a new machine and compare them same time. But I decided to compare them in real working conditions, not to go to simple. So I decided to divide the dog tattoo into two parts and make the sides with different machines. My goal was to see specific difference between sides and in this way draw conclusions. To be fair, let's set same stroke on this machine too, as like on Xnet 4.5. I'll go with tattoo pen first. This is really small and strong pen. I've been using it for a few months now, and it's my favorite so far. And this is one of latest tattoo I made with this pen. Here is the link to the whole process of making this tattoo. I attached my fake skin on armrest to make it more similar to a real working conditions. I done with line work with pen machine. Now, let's try this rotary for first time. It's always exciting. On this machine, sometimes the needle stroke seems to be in slow motion, but it's real time. First impressions. Well, it's not heavy, but loud machine. Especially compared with most of tattoo pens and even old school rotaries. I may say, it sounds almost like coil machines. All in all, work going smoothly. This position of cable is not correct on this machine. It touches the moving part. I not notice it immediately. As you can see, the fake skin vibrates way more on armrest than on table. That's how it simulates a real skin better, if we talking about precise comparison results or learning purposes. Tattoo foam is the best way to clean practice skin. We finished making outlines here with both machines. Do you see some significant difference? Let me know in comments. And now, the next stage, shadows. You may pay attention that I'm not using Vaseline here. It's making more mess for me personally on fake skin than helping what is not happening on real skin. 2024, traditional rotaries found new life with the invention of grit batteries. Here I stop the process. I could go further with this tattoo, but at some point I understand that results of experiment is clear. Let's summarize together. After all, I did not find the expected difference, even to the point that it is difficult to tell that the two sides of this tattoo were made with different machines. The same can be said about line work. Why did this happen? From my point of view, first of all, it happened because both machines had the same needle stroke. You see, stroke numbers works like a pencil. The higher the number, darker the shade. Another aspect may be the technical characteristics of the machines, for example, equally powerful motors. It seems like there's nothing new here, but believe me, a lot of people simply don't know this. All in all, I like this rotary machine, although it's just a beginning, it still has a lot of tests awaiting on real skin, and this could radically change everything. And now the main question, which machine I would choose in 2024 anyway? I would choose pen machine, because I would have to give up many of the advantages that pen style machines provide, especially since the experiment showed that this traditional rotary is not distinguished by anything special. Thanks for watching, and if you learned something from this video, click on like and subscribe to channel so as not to miss a new episode.